Welcome everyone to our second video on code and candles. Today we're going to talk about the ICT premium and discount indicator. You can find it right here on Thomas's Tradingview. It's this one. What does it? So it takes the highest high, the lowest low, and it draws an equilibrium line right across it. You can choose your own period on how long you want to take this period in the history. So we can do 50 for example. Yeah, you can see it becomes shorter, or 100 becomes longer again. So how to use it? You can use it to detect a short or a long and to look if you can do a good trade here. It's not good to use it on its own, but you can use it as a confirmation. So for example, if my other indicator says here that I have to go short, you have to think twice because you're in the green zone. It's more likely to go up again because most coins or forex or stock markets long term on multiple days, like you can see here, we have 4 days. It acts like a pendulum right across the equilibrium zone. It goes from red to green and all over again. It's not always, because once or another time it has to break out of these zones, because yeah, that's the definition of them. But long term, they act like a pendulum. So if you want to detect a short, you can look in the middle of the red zone, for example, and you can look right here. If, for example, middle of red zone, you can try to go short. Middle of red zone, short, short, short. Maybe if you could detect this one, that would be very good. If you want to go long, you have to look in the green zone, maybe in the middle of it, because there are the most decisive points. A long point, if you could detect this one. Yeah, these are not significant, but you can try. Now we're gonna look in the present to see if you go long or short now. This one, it's hard to say because it's not high in the red zone, but you could guess for short, but it's not decisive enough, in my opinion. Forex, this one, you could try here to go long, I would say. It's also not decisive. That's the hard part of this indicator. You have to wait for it to be higher in one of the zones. If you change the lookback, it will be more significant. So you can see here, my suggestion would here be to go long, but it's nice to have another indicator as confirmation. Lastly, we'll check the stock. We will do 200 again for more data. Yeah, right here. So here my guess would be to go short because it's in the middle of the red zone. It's a good example of how to use this indicator. You can see the pendulum again, up, down, up, down. It most likely will come back down again or up again if you're below it. Bitcoin is a prime example. Up, down, the pendulum. Popcat, a meme coin, also up, down, a pendulum. It's good to realize it's not always come down or up again because once at a time it has to break out of the zone, but there is a pretty good chance that it will go across the equilibrium line once or another time again. I hope you liked this video and till next time.